Hello students, this is a basic introduction about C and C++ programming language and the concept of C++ and what are the basic difference between C and C++ language. So, first thing is C is a general purpose programming language initially developed by Dennis Ritchie between 1969 and 1973 at T-Bell Laboratory. It is a procedural language in which we can focus on mathematical and algorithm. Now what is algorithm? Algorithm is step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. It is not a complete code or program, it is just a problem solving approach. We can discuss in our next class. Now it is a simple example of C programming. You can say that hash include stdio.h. It means it is a header file. Header file is always written top of the program. Next, int main void. Int is a data type. It is used to represent which type of data value used in a program. Main is a function. It is a body of the program. Void is a return type. Curly braces. It is a starting function body of the program. Then printf. Printf is a function that is used to print the message or content on the output screen. Here hello world. Hello world is a message that is written between the double quotation mark. Next is /n. /n is represent to new line. When a message is printed on the screen, the message is printed on the new line. Next is all the functions written with the help of function brackets. Next thing is semicolon. It is a symbol that is used to terminate the statement. Now next topic is introduction to C++. So C++ is advanced version of C language. It is developed by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1979 at Bell Telephone Laboratory. It is an object-oriented programming language in which we focus on the real-life problems. It is just opposite of C programming language. But the difference is that in C++ we can use iostream.h header file. Iostream is input output stream.h. In this header file, all the content of the input and output functions are pre-processed in the header file. Hash is a precursor directory. The main function, after that cout. Cout is used to print the content of the output screen like as printf in C. Next topic is what are the basic difference between C and C++ language. So C is a most stable for handling small programs, whereas C++ is used for handling large programs. Next difference is C follow top-down approach, but C++ based on the bottom-up approach. It means in C language, main function is declared at the top of the program, whereas in C++, the main function is declared after the class declaration at bottom of the program. Next point is data can be accessed by other function in C language, but in C++ data cannot be accessed by other functions. Next point is in C language function overloading concept cannot be used, but in C++ function overloading concept can be used. It is a concept of C++. Next one is data is not secure in C language, but in C++ data can be secure. These are the basic difference between C and C++ languages. Now here there are some important concepts of object-oriented programming like class, object, message passing, dynamic binding, polymorphism, inheritance. These are the basic concepts used in a programming language. We can discuss in our next video. Thank you.